Good morning, world. It's Desirina here, and I am recording from San Diego. Chris is here. He and I are taking engagement photos today. We will be taking pictures first at Balboa Park, and then we will be moving right along to the airport because that's where we met. And then we will be ending at La Jolla Shores and the cliffs at La Jolla. So, yeah, Chris lost like 25 pounds and I'm still struggling, but that's cool because he ain't it. So, yes, we are really excited. It's been a long time coming. We had to cancel these plans numerous times. So here we go. We shall talk to you later. Bye. Mwah.